What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Charts and Chats episode 25. Today is October 27th. It is Wednesday. We about to get right on into it. Let's just get straight to it. So what's going on, guys? You already know what we about to do. About to get active on the charts. But before we do anything, I'm going to just check if there's any news that's going to be coming out today. Okay, so today's Tuesday, but is it Tuesday? I thought it was Wednesday. It is Wednesday. What the hell? I don't know. Wednesday, yeah. Alright, so we got USD news at 8:30. We have two medium impact and two yellow impact. So likely we won't see too much momentum based on 8:30 movement, but we'll see something. And it's already 8:17, so we got about 13 minutes until 8:30. So let's get right on into it. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark up the previous Asian session, which is right here. After I'm done marking the Asian session, I'm gonna mark up the 12 a.m. daily open, which is midnight right here. Alright. And first thing I see is down here at 5 a.m. we got these lows taken right here. These lows got pushed through and then ran above. And did it tap into anything? It looks like it tapped into this order block that we have down here, which is a 15-minute order block. I'm gonna mark up to 50% of it while I'm here. Move this out more. Right there. Alright, so that's what happened at 5 a.m. We had these lows cleared, trade into this 15-minute order block. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mark up the previous day's low, which is right here actually. That got ran through already. Previous day low. And then we're going to mark up this previous day high, which is up here. So as of right now, the previous day low already got violated, so there is a chance that we're already going to see a bearish day. So that's something we got to keep in mind. Previous day low. So we got the previous day low that got broken through. Then we got the previous day high. So I'm also going to mark up 50% of that Asian range. I also see that right here at 3 in the morning, we cleared these highs to our right, also tapping into an order block. So ideally, if we're having a bearish day, we already made the high of the day during this lunch session. I'm ideally looking to go short, and I'm looking to go short above this 12 a.m. line. So that's something I'm keeping in mind right now. We tapped into this 15-minute order block also when we went lower. I'll put the 50% of it also, just to have it. You can see we got very close to it tapping before. So what am I gonna do right now? I'm going to pull my fib from here to this low, and we can see we're in this fib area. We're above the 12 a.m. open, and we're also at this breaker block right here within price. So part of me wants to go short within here. I'm going to put up to 50% of this. So part of me wants to go short in here and have my stop about 40 pip stop. I think would be valid. 40 pip stop for a potential 90 to 100 if we continue to fall lower. And this is just based off a lower time frame. I haven't even done any higher time frame analysis or anything yet. Let me hop on the 30-minute. We have this 30-minute order block there. Check the hour. We have this hour order block right here. So part of me wants to get in at this hour order block, so I'm gonna take away this breaker block for right now. Not gonna pay that any mind. Part of me wants to go short at this 1 hour order block, because at this point this would be meaning I will have the best entry I could possibly get following all my rules. High of the day possibly created during this London session right here. We got this possible high of the day. We had this retracement into this earlier. We're also above the 12 a.m. and we're about to trade into this 1 hour order block and our fib short. So ideally these will be all of our confirmations, and I'm also looking at where we are in price. We are also trading in 35,800, which is another main confirmation for this general area to go short right now. So part of me is gonna wait for, part of me wants to go short right here with about a 40 pip stop, and that would mean okay, because I see all the confirmations I need for a trade. So timing isn't really, it's not on my side, I would say. Alright, so I'm going short right now, guys. I trust this analysis to go short. I know what I'm looking to see, and this fits all my characteristics to take a trade. I'm gonna have it about right here in my stop. I'm ideally targeting 50% of this previous order block, which would be a main target for me to look to achieve. And assuming that we're gonna get that news volume in about 7 minutes at 8:30, that plays a part too. So this is an early trade today. And I will be targeting 35,687. Because I already know we traded into this order block once before, so I ideally want to trade into it possibly again. So this is all I'm really looking to do right now. I'm looking to keep this going short. Let me have my stop loss and everything placed. Alright, stop loss in place, everything's in place. So let's see what kind of trade we can catch. Early trade today. But I see all the things I need. I'm gonna write out all the confirmations. So the confirmation is we're selling above the 12 a.m. open, which is ideal. Plus, we're selling at 35,800. 35,800. We're also selling at our fib short. Not short, it's fib short. Plus, we have a 1 hour order block. There's a lot of confirmation in this area for the trade. You can see the willingness to want to fall that we're getting. So I'm gonna be anticipating at 8:30. It's 8:25 right now. We should have that more news come in to bring price lower. And if it brings it higher, it is what it is. What is the end of the day there on this losing trade? But until then, right now it looks pretty valid. So we'll see what we can get. Risk reward, we're gonna see 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3. 1 to 3 possible trade. So let's see what happens. And as you guys can see, I'll just bring it over real quick. You guys can see that I'm in this trade. Going short, stop above that high. Looking to bring price even lower. So let's see. Yeah, everything looks good for this trade. I've seen my setup. All my characteristics are in play right now. Let's just see what we can do. A lot of reasoning to believe price is going to continue to fall lower. And you can see the willingness is having to fall. Only 3 minutes 40 seconds for this candle, so everything looks like it's going to play out pretty well. Once I get to 1 to 1 and this order block right here, because I know there's a chance we can continue pushing higher, at that point I'm just going to break even my trade. But I'm going to look to take majority of this profit off around this 15-minute order block down here and a previous day low once again. That's where I'll be looking to take majority profits. So let's see what happens. Get my nice little rule for my Instagram. Tell everyone I'm live. Let them tune on in. Yeah, let's see what happens. Everything looks like it'll play out. Just gotta show the Telegram. Gotta let them know what we doing. Now we're back at break even. Hey, let's see. We're gonna see what this news does. This news is either gonna be against us or it's gonna be on our side. Ideally, I'm going to anticipate this being the high of the day since the fact that we traded into this order block and had a false break at 3 a.m. So that's what I'm going off of. Plus these confirmations. So as long as we have our stop loss, just hold this trade and just let it do what it gotta do. While we're here, guys, I'm actually going to show you guys how I journal my trades to give you guys a little bit of a inside scoop to what I do. So let's go to my journal, quarter 3. We go to the very bottom, and what do? Yesterday, I actually took no trades. So let me put that here. No trades taken. And today is October 27th. I don't know any of this stuff yet, so what can I do? I'm going to put my before picture. I'm going to write down the confirmations I had to enter this trade. 1 hour, 15-minute order block. I'm selling. We have our fib short. That's really it. That's all we put. And then I have my after picture that I'll put after the trade. I'll put whether I won or lost this trade. The time frame for this trade is based off of just like the 15 an hour. I haven't even checked the higher time frames yet. So this is all I can put right now. But then once the trade is over, I could put in all these other things. Okay, price traded back into 35,800. So let's see what happens with that. But while we're here, let's go check this 4 hour. Yeah, the 4 hour looks like it's retracing into this 4 hour order block right here. Even though it looks real choppy, I could kind of tell just based off of traded back into this. So ideally, even the 4 hour looks like it has the willingness to go lower. We put the 50% of that 4 hour order block. You can see it's tapping into that also. So we have a lot of reason to believe price wants to continue to fall lower. So we just gotta hold. It's so early in the day. Let's check the daily. Daily looks to be losing momentum, and we also broke that previous day's low already. So there is a chance we could continue going lower. And even if it's not low any crazy, we still have a chance to come back to this high, which is at 35,574, which is a pretty good distance. 35,574, which is all the way down here. We just gotta wait. We know what we want to see, so this drawdown don't mean nothing to us. And it's 8:30 also now too. Let's see. Was this news end up good or bad news? Refresh it. 8:30. Okay, so wasn't really crazy news. Didn't really look to affect us, but it looks like prices had this small push. I'm just keeping in mind this hour order block. I'll mark up to 50% of it also, because once that 50% of this 1 hour order block is violated, the chance of it being respected is going to be less likely. Oh yeah, we pushing now. Let's see. Ideally, we should stay below this high here. So if we get pushed through this high, we're just gonna leave it at that. Call it a day. Ain't gonna rush nothing. We know what we want to see. Our confirmations for it here. Now let's see it. Tapped into this 50% of this 1 hour order block. We also have 35,800 right here. So let's see how well we respect this area. Ideally, I want to continue to close below 34,800 like we were here. Alright, while we let this do what it gotta do, let's look at NAS 100. NAS 100 is pushing. Oh shit. But it could just be pushing. Oh, could just be pushing into this right here. So if I put on my Asian range for this pair also, do this, take that off and mark up the 12 a.m. open, which is right here. Could still be giving us that good entry or possible sell. Could be having this retracement back to this order block. 50-minute order block that we are currently at right now. If I pull my fib from this high to the low, we're also rejecting the 79% of that fib. And this was also the move that happened during London that we cleared these highs right here. So this could be a possible high of day scenario also for this pair. Very similar to US30. So it's a very similar setup. We're looking to take the market short, and in this case, we'll be targeting this previous day low that has not been tagged yet, unlike US30 has. Right down here. So this is what we're looking at for NAS 100 right now. Just ideally what I want to see. I would want to see it start to drop lower, as we could see this rejection and target this previous day's low down here. And as you can see, it's starting to reject, and US30 is also slowly rejecting again also. So we just got to give it time. Ideally, these pairs are more than likely still going to fall. We just got to give it that time it needs to be able to hold it. That's what it really comes down to. It's still early in the day. Coming to 9:30 in about an hour, we should see more of that volume that we're looking for. And then we got this previous day high up here. So ideally, we're more than likely going to keep targeting this low, because we could target this previous day high, but the likelihood of that happening is far less likely than targeting this low. So this is what we'll be looking to see with NAS 100. We'll just keep an eye on it. Till then, we wait. Yeah, we just gotta wait, guys. Just gonna be patient right now. We're in the trade, so we just gotta let it play out. Let it show us that we're wrong, or just let it play in our direction. But as of right now, we have a lot of confirmations on our side for the trade to play in our direction. So we just gotta give it time. It's gonna be a waiting day today. Quick analysis. 8:40 right now. We still got time, boys. Early. And I ain't do no live sessions today, so it's just us. We could chill. That's a simple chill day. This one's still struggling a little bit. Something that could possibly happen again is we get a retreat match this order block. Retest is low before going higher. So that's just something that could happen. Yeah, it's gonna be a slow day today, boys. Just gotta let Price do what he gotta do. Yeah, guys, just as daily life into trading. Anticlimactic, to say the least. Yeah, while I'm here. But you guys see, I'm still just holding this shit. I'm gonna draw it down. Stop's right above. If it comes a little bit closer, I'll probably move it like this pip. But honestly, this 1 pip difference doesn't really matter, in my opinion. So that's why it's a 0 right now. But we just gotta wait and see. The press do what it gotta do.
$50
15-minute candle about to close. Let's get this rejection. Reject a little bit more.
So first you can see 8 can 1 hour trade breakdown of the GBP USD Scout, basically teaching you exactly how I trade it.
Man, I look, you want to make an app. I need to make a website too. I got so much things I need to do. It's crazy. It's getting brick out here, boy. It's getting cold over here on the north side. Winter's here. Winter's coming. But nah, so this trade plays out, we can just vibe out, listen to this music. Yeah, we're slowly losing momentum, so that's a good sign now. So if you look at, say, the 5-minute, you see how we're losing all of this momentum right now. Just dojing, dojing, dojing. We're just preparing orders for it to all go either up or down. In my opinion, I want to see price continue lower, but you never know. It could have a crazy wick to top side, clear liquidity before falling. These are all things you got to keep in mind. Even though we are probably on the right side of the trade direction, doesn't mean we're going to win the trade. Just got to let time do what it got to do. Patience, patience, patience. Hold on, I'll be back, guys. You can see we're about to be break even again. Yeah, I'm about to go to the bathroom real quick, but you guys can watch it like this real quick. I'll be back. Damn. I'm back, and price is a doji. Nice. Back in my blanket. Alright, price melted a little bit, but one thing I was looking at while I was in the bathroom, I seen that every other, like NAS 100, slowly losing momentum. S&P, if you go to S&P, where is it? Futures, not index. Look at SPX, similar setup, also slowly losing momentum. So we have multiple pairs doing similar things. We're just waiting for the drop on all of them. So that's all we're gonna do. Even though it's pushing up right now, we know what we want to see overall. So we just gotta have that patience to wait. That's really what it comes down to. Having the discipline and patience to wait for a trade to play out and letting it hit stop loss if we're wrong. That's really what it comes down to. It's 9 o'clock now. So we got about 30 minutes for this momentum that we want to see to the downside kick in. Worst comes to worst, that happen. Price could push up, clear liquidity, tap into this order block one more time, or even trade a little bit higher or dropping. But ideally, this is what I would want to see right here happen. We're losing this momentum, so we just gotta wait. It's really what it comes down to. Been saying that this whole time. Patience is key. Just gotta wait and let price shows what it wants to do. Price shows everything needed. Yeah, we can see we did push higher after breaking all of this consolidation, which isn't ideally what I want to see, but let's see what happens. Yeah, we got a doji on NAS. Let's see, as long as we can stay below this 50% of this 1 hour order block, then I think we should be good. But once we start closing above it, then I'm going to consider closing half of my trade and taking half of that risk off if we start to close above this 50% at 35,810. Just a way to manage risk, make sure our losses stay small and our wins stay maximal. Maximum? I'm not even sure which way I'm supposed to use that. Our maximum amounts PIP gain for minimal amount loss. Yeah, it's just a waiting game, guys. Check the 4 hour. 4 hours still. We're in this general area where we're looking for this drop from. So just gotta wait. Just gotta wait. We had to drop off of it once. See if we can get it one more time and continue dropping. The daily, ideally, should keep dropping. It could just keep pushing, fill in this wick to the left, but personally, I wouldn't want to see that happen. Not a bias I'm currently on the side of. I'm on this bias where we continue to drop and melt. That's my bias. But yeah, I got in at 35,786. 35 minus 786. 35,786 minus, I got like a 40 pips off loss. 746. Well, I gotta add 786 plus. Yeah, I got about like 30, 37 pip stop loss, which is not bad. You know what we're looking for. Am I funded? Yeah, I fuck with FTMO. Yeah, I fuck with FTMO. But personally, if you're looking to get funded, just make sure you have, because I know a lot of people that ask this question about getting funded and everything. Just make sure you have at least like 6 months of consistency beforehand, because trust me, passing the challenges aren't easy. They are not easy. I don't care what no one says, that shit is not easy. Passing them challenges is very hard. But once you do, and you got that consistency, it makes it very easy. But just make sure you got that first. But any ones that I would recommend, I recommend. What is it? FTMO. I used to funding talent used to be a good one, but personally they have a lot of stuff going on now, so I'm not even gonna recommend them no more. The only one I really like is FTMO. That's the only one I trust, to be honest. I know there's a lot more, but I don't really feel comfortable putting my money into those because you never know where they're going. Well, that's my little take on that. Yeah, come on. Come on, price. Continue to melt for me. Just want to see start to melt. When we start getting back below this 12 a.m. open, it's going. This is going to keep falling. At least to 35.758. This is about 30, 40 pips. Yeah, 45 pips. So let's see. We close. Oh, there goes my phone. Come on, Price. Go our direction. But right now, it is showing the willingness to want to fall. So all we gotta do, guys, is just wait. Ooh, this is pushing. That's not what I want to see. I want to check SPX. Okay, SPX is actually dropping. Let's check. Let me just check all of them. Or is S&P 500? That was S&P 500. But I want this one. Yeah, they're all slowly pushing. I mean, US 30 is slowly falling, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Come on, yeah. US 30 is the only one actually looking to play out, so let's hope for the best. Now we about to be back at break even. But I'm actually gonna make this like perfect. Let me go to 30 minutes. I'm gonna make sure I got the same exact entry I have on here. My entries are actually right here. It's a little bit lower than I actually said it was. So we're not really break even yet. Still got a little bit. But you can see how we're just reacting at 35,800 right here. Like, we're struggling to really break below, but we are rejecting it to the upside, which isn't something I like. Ideally want to see price continue to fall, but it's kind of hard right now. I just put too many things on my screen. I think I just did. Yeah, hold on. Got that. Got. I don't need this. Don't need this. Yeah, right now price is really struggling to break any lower. It's kind of moving like with these other pairs now, struggling. Oh man, but yeah, as long as we stay below 35,810 by 9:30, I think we should have that push. So we just gotta hold it for another 22 minutes. Just gotta wait, my boys. Just gotta wait, my boys. Worst comes to worst, we're taking a 1% loss, and that's fine. Alright, come on, keep on following. Your price is just ranging right now, man. Yeah, how's everyone doing though? Anyone else in trades? Oh, we're slowly moving down again. Let's see if we continue to fall. Up, back into the consolidation. Jesus, bro. This is not moving. Yeah. Nice pushing. Losing momentum. Losing momentum. Yeah, I should have gotten a little bit higher. But it is what it is. We just gotta watch. I know price is likely gonna continue to fall, but now, judging from the time we're coming in, we just gotta be careful and watch any possible false breaks. So there could be a chance that when 9:30 opens up, we could see a spike in price before dropping lower. So that's something we have to pay attention to, because a spike could easily stop us out before then going our direction anyway. So we just got to keep that in mind. This candle closes in about 1:40 seconds, so let's see if it closes below 35,800 or above it. That's gonna tell us a lot that needs to be shown. Ideally, I want to see it close below, but I don't know if it will, personally. Alright, 9:15. This candle closed another doji, closing above 35,800. So, puts us in a hard place. We gotta see what this next 15-minute candle does. It's depending on this next 15-minute candle, is gonna tell us a lot going into that 9:30 open. So let's see. So far, we've had a willingness to not want to trade to this high up here. So let's see if we can continue. Ooh, we're pushing higher. I don't know, man. This trade's not looking well. It's not looking well. It's not the fact it doesn't look well. It's just the fact that where it's at on this chart. I'm going to move. Make sure my stop is right here. Right where it's supposed to be. There we go. I don't know why I wasn't swinging. Moved like a pip up. Right above this high. Let's see. $15 more minutes, son. We're either going to win or lose this trade. Alright, getting this rejection again. Let's see. We're going to continue to doji out, or we're going to actually go somewhat into profit. Good morning. What's going on, bro? A-Dot. What's going on, Birdie? We just waiting here, waiting for this trade to play out slowly but surely. Yeah, we just gonna do a G out. We got about 12 minutes. We just gotta wait. Oh man, we just gotta let price do what it gotta do, man. The gods aren't on our side today. The gods aren't on our side. That's why, if you guys notice, I try to stay away from getting into trades early. The simple fact of things like this. I hate being in drawdown like this and consolidation. I like trading with the volume, with the movement, and this shit. This is the opposite of that. This is the very opposite. Yeah, we just gotta see what price does, man. Just gotta give it time. Whatever happens, happens. That's how I'm looking at it. At this point, I'm gonna just get rid of this fib. There's no need to have it. It's not really respecting at this point. We still have these other confirmations, but let's see how well they work out. Like I said, targeting previously low in this 35,685 area down here. Those are our ideal targets based off of 4-hour and daily. Come back, possibly tap into these lows right here, 656. Good morning, boys. What's on, Martin? What's going on, bro? Chilling inside of consolidation, as always. Oh, we're gonna push the top side. Oh, not what I want to see. Yeah, this is slowly dropping, slowly but surely. Nah, it's slowly but surely also. These guys see, like I said, as long as we stay below this 50%, we should be good. But until then, who knows what can happen? Anything can happen from this point. So we're still above 35,800. So there's still a chance that we could continue to push higher. Part of me is probably going to move my stop probably to above this high eventually, just to really mitigate my risks. I know if this high gets broken, the chance of this high getting broken is only more likely. So I'm just all about keeping my risk small and making it so I don't lose as much as I originally planned on. That's a winning day for me. Slow day, man. Yeah, it's just back and forth right now. Yeah, price is just being very difficult. We're sitting here in about, how much drawdown am I on? 17 pips. 17 pips to drawdown. Nice. We got about 7 minutes until 9:30. Momentum loss is crazy. If we don't drop at 9:30, shit, man. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, 35. I'm telling you, we can at least get this previous day low. That's a good trade. Even though it's like a 1.8, if you were to take profit there, 1 to 1.8, that's still a good amount. Because then you can leave a runner and let it keep on going. Because if it comes back to this low, there's a high chance it can continue going slightly lower, possibly this low down here. Only time will tell. Price is being very difficult. How do I spell indecisive? Indecisive. I-N-D-E. Indecisive. Alright, I got it. Oh, we're pushing higher. Yeah. It's not what I wanted to see going into 9:30. That is not what I wanted to see. Yeah, this is doesn't look like it's on our side right now. Hey man, this is a losing trade. It is what it is. I took the trade. It's my loss. We're still losing momentum here. Oh, didn't even do that. Nice 100. Push higher, losing momentum. Yeah, I don't know. Still below this, but I don't know how I feel about trading above this high. Got about 5 minutes. Let's just hope for the best. Whatever happens, happens. If we take our LL, call it a day. 1% loss. Leave it at that. Unless I see like a really crazy re-entry, then we'll get back in. But so then, last and final trade. Two minutes 44 seconds. All right, got that slight push to the downside. Faith over fear, man. That's facts. We just gotta give this time at 9:30. 9:30 is gonna show us what we want. We got about a minute 30. So we gonna see what happens at 9:30. It won't be long before it shows us that we're wrong if we are wrong. Alright. Got 40 seconds. Let's see what happens. Are we gonna be profitable? Are we gonna take an L? We gonna see. Yeah, we're pushing high. I don't know. It's not looking on our side right now. This push is more than likely gonna stop us out, even if our direction is correct. Which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Let's see. Let's see. Got 4 seconds. Yeah, it's not looking on our side. Let's see though. Came high. I don't know. Yeah, it's not looking very good. Came close to stop loss. Okay. Okay. This is very interesting. This is very interesting to say the least, man. There's still a chance it could fall, but I don't know. Very risky at this point. Cleared this high. We could fall lower, but it's 50-50 right now. Until we start breaking all these lows, I have no confidence. No confidence in it. Alright, let's see. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going. We had this small liquidity grab, but we're gonna keep going. It's just gonna be a small retracement. Okay, slowly in profit. Let's see. Let's see. Let's get to that TP1. Get to that TP1. We just gotta give it time. Give it some time. Okay. Okay. If we could stay below that 12 a.m. open, we should be good. We should be good. At 1-to-1, I'm breaking even. At 1-to-1, I'm breaking even, which is right here. I'll be breaking even at 1-to-1. Come on, a few more pips. Few more pips. Few more pips. Alright. Breaking even a trade. TP1 just got hit. Break even. Let's see. Get this TP2. Let's get this TP2. Stop playing. We about to be at TP2. Stop playing. Stop playing. TP2 about to get hit. Come on. Come on. Stop playing. Come on. Stop playing. TP2 about to get hit. Come on. Come on. A few more pips. TP2 just got hit. We're retracing a little bit. Nice little trade so far. If you guys didn't already, make sure you break even this trade because there is a high chance it could still retrace with this volume that came into the market. Ideally, I still want to see price come a little bit lower. But like I said, we retraced this 15-minute order block, so there is a chance we could just have a big rejection to the top side once again. Even though I still want to see price go lower, you never know. Always good to take profit. Take partials every time. Come on. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. That's what I like to see. Keep on pushing. That's what I like to see. Come on, a few more pips. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. I'm trying to go for these lows right here. I'm going for these lows. This is what I want to see right now. I want to see these lows get hit. Come on. Come on. Come on. You know you want to, bro. Just keep on dropping. A few more pips. A few more pips. I'm trying to clear these lows. I'm going to take majority of my profits. Trying to clear these lows at majority of these profit right here. Come on. Don't do this. Come on. You got it. You got it. Stop playing. Come on. Come on. Yes, I'm still in this trade, guys. You can see right here. I'm waiting for it to break these lows. These lows right here. And I'm going to take the majority of my profit. I'm waiting. Come on. Come on. Come on. You got it, bro. Keep on dropping. You know you want to. This is 15-minute order block. This previous day's low is being used as a form of support right now. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Stop playing. Come on. Reach a little bit lower. Reach a little bit lower. Reach a little bit lower. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. I don't like this. I hate when I get rejected like this. Part of me wants to take profit, but I don't want to at the same time. Ooh, come on, come on. I'm trying to hold. I'm trying to be disciplined to hold it to this low, but at the same time, right now, it's not showing me that willingness. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. You're mad close. Come on, come on. Stop playing. Come on, just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Come on. Come on. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Stop playing. Stop playing, boy. Stop playing with us. Stop fucking playing with us, bro. Just like that. Just took my partials. 2% trade. 2% bagged. Just like that. Let the runner run. That's how we do it. 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 Done live. Once again. Stop playing, boy. Stop playing. I don't see it reaching for new highs, but could be possible. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Yup. Yup. That's how we do it. Make sure you guys take profits. I just took out majority of all my profits just now. Trade is up about 75 pips. Great trade, guys. Great trade. I secured about 82 total. Secured 82 pips. Just like that. And just like that, you leave your runner, you let it run. As you guys can see, I'm just going to leave the runner and let it do what it got to do. Just keep it running, because you never know. It probably will get stopped out eventually, but you never know, guys. Crazy trade, once again. I could have got a better entry, but we live and learn. But ideally, that's like I said, this shouldn't be violated. It's high today, which never was. We had our confirmations to take the trade. And there you go. Mm-hmm. 82 pips secured. Done live. Yes, sir. But nah, crazy trade, guys. 82 pips we were able to make. First and only trade. Got a runner running, and I'm gonna just end it off here. Simple day. Nice little trade. Got into it. I could have got a better entry if I would have held it. If I would have maybe got in at the 35,800 or the 1 hour order block, would have given me a slightly better entry. But nonetheless, it was a winning trade. Took profit for majority. 1 to 3 trade. As you can see, we were able to get a 1 to 3 trade. I was able to take about 2% off with partials. So we did what we got to do. Good trade. Let's do it, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully you learned something. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you don't forget to fear being average.